viewers. So I'm just checking in and I'm showing y'all the process of, I'm about to make a tree topper, and I'm gonna stick these little labels that I made on the tree topper, some Chanel quotes, and also I made some tree topper, look, ornament shakers. These are everything. They are so cute, aren't they? I'm on like zero sleep because I've been busy with orders, so please excuse my voice. I'm not even in my studio area today. I'm like relaxing in my living room area, watching movies and busting out this order. So I'm going to show you guys the ending result. If you want to see how I put these things together, like the shakers, and I'm also selling a template, just leave a comment below, of course, and you can always shoot me an email. Okay, so I'm gonna start building my tree topper, and I'm actually just gonna go through the steps. Like, what was the point in just showing you that and not go through the steps? But like I said, if you want to see how I put these together and buy the templates from me, first of all, don't forget to subscribe, and then second, you know, just drop a comment below and you can always email me. They are just so pretty, I can't wait. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm building the base for the tree topper. And who I'm doing this tree for, a little story about her, she has the most beautiful black big tree with big ornaments all over it. So to do the finishing touches, I'm doing this over the top Chanel tree topper for her. If she sends me a picture of her tree, I would definitely share it with you guys on my Instagram at Luxury Party Items. Okay, so let's get back into this because I want to see the ending result. I know how pretty it's going to be. Okay, so I'm building a base for this. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue these two on here like so. Okay, so I'm going to glue this together, and I'm actually, when I finish building everything, I'm gonna like tie it to give it extra security. Okay, as you can see, I glued the base and I also wrapped a clear taping around it. Now you could use fish wire in this case, anything clear, but if you don't, it's okay, because look, I'm actually gonna stick one of these on here so you won't even see it. But before I do any of that, I'm going to further build my base with extra added items to give it a pop of color, because her tree is these are her tree colors, and you want it to pop off that black, right? So I'm going to start building this up, and I'm actually going to glue it down because I'm holding the camera with one hand so I could get all of this. So actually, like, when I put all the pieces back together, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and then I'm gonna start gluing the pieces on. So here it is, creators. Here's the ending part of the tree topper that I created. Tell me what you think. If you like it, do you think it's too over the top? Do you love it? Let me know.